Good morning, I'm Chad Daniker and I'm here today with Brent Cole and Dave Menace, and we're here to talk a little bit about investing in condos downtown San Diego and how that works with renting your condo out. Brent's going to start off today about talking at the inventory in the market.
Yeah, I recently wrote a blog, and it's pretty shocking actually how hot the rental inventory or the rental market has become. The lack of inventory right now, currently there's only 44 total condos for rent in all of downtown San Diego, which is pretty shocking. 8 of which are one bedrooms. So that really, stands out, that number in particular. I think one of the big contributing factors for one bedrooms is the new addition to the Thomas Jefferson School of Law downtown, and so that's been a big contributor in the East Village. Also, average time on the market, only 42 days, so they're turning over very quickly, and actually the desirable properties are moving much quicker than that. And then of the total inventory of rentals, there's only 19 that are below $3,000 a month. So really there's a huge lack of inventory.
So with that 19 being below $3,000 a month, I would say that the affordability index is really going down for rentals in San Diego. What I would say that would do is that presents an opportunity for people buying lower priced condos to turn around and rent them really quickly. We've recently done this for some of our buyers. We've bought condos in the $200,000 to $400,000 range, and literally within 1 to 2 days of closing escrow, we've had those condos signed up on a lease. And one of the interesting things is we've tracked rents over the last 2 years, and in the last 12 months, rents have gone up 4 to 5% over the previous 12 months. And in some cases in East Village, around the new Thomas Jefferson School of Law, we're actually able to boost it up another 100 because of the lack of inventory. There's nothing there, there's nothing available. People are really feeling the need to get in now before school starts, and they're basically anxious. They need to get in, they're really nervous, so they're willing to pay more.
One of the things that has affected the rental market greatly in downtown San Diego is one of our largest, in fact the largest condo building that's ever been built in San Diego, called Vantage Point, had some trouble during the recent recession. It wound up being sold to the largest apartment real estate investment trust in the country, and now there are 700 or 697 apartments available in Vantage Point. Surprisingly, those have increased rents as opposed to decreased rents as we've added that inventory. So within the last 12 months, Vantage Point is not completely full, but they've done a lot with Navy and an awful lot, once again, with the law schools and other people. Let me just point out that one bedrooms at Vantage Point start at $1,710, which is higher than what we see an awful lot of people asking for in condo rentals to be in this apartment building. I also want to point out that Strata, which is a partner with Current, one of the other upscale apartments in San Diego, opened approximately 2 years ago. Their lowest price one bedroom is $2,290. So the rental complexes in downtown San Diego are driving prices up, even with all of this inventory that they've added to the market.
Absolutely. About a month ago I had a client and we went into Strata and they had no one bedrooms available. Also, something interesting to note is that Thomas Jefferson School of Law just bought Entrada, which was a rental apartment building. So now our rental apartment buildings are even starting to disappear because that's student housing now. And I learned that from one of my students at Cal West School of Law, a client that walked in our office about a week ago, and there's nothing for her to see. I mean, we're out there right now. I've got 2 people on a list for anything that pops up today, and they're willing to basically take whatever, as long as it's below $1,900 a month. So it's a really dynamic market. If you can buy a condo right now and with the purpose of leasing it out as an investment, it's a really good time to do so in downtown San Diego.
Absolutely.
Yep. I'm Chad Daniker.
Brent Cole.
And Dave Menace, thank you.
Thank you for visiting us today, and visit us on the web at welcometosandiego.com.